Glazing in commercial building construction refers to the installation of glass panels or windows. It's a critical aspect of modern architecture, providing natural light, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. Overall, glazing work requires meticulous planning, attention to detail, and coordination with other vendors. Key technical aspects of glazing work include material selection, choosing the right type of glass for the specific requirements of the building, considering factors like thermal insulation, solar control, safety, and acoustic performance. Frame selection, selecting frames or window systems that support the glass panels. Frame selection, selecting frames or window systems that support the glass panels. Common materials include aluminum, steel, wood, and uPVC, each offering different levels of durability, aesthetics, and thermal performance. Installation techniques, employing proper techniques for installing glass panels securely within the frames, ensuring structural integrity and weather resistance. This involves precise measurements, sealing and weatherproofing, applying appropriate sealants and weatherproofing materials to prevent water infiltration, air leakage, and thermal bridging. This is crucial for maintaining indoor comfort and energy efficiency. Mullions, transoms, brackets, fixing anchors, inserts, supporting substructure, etc. will be designed and thoroughly checked in accordance with the data standards specified in project specification, and performance requirements shall be in line with the International Curtain Wall Industry Norms standards. These are checked and verified. Glass and glazing. Specified and approved insulated double-glazed units for vision and spandrel areas will be provided. Performance data will be provided upon selection of exterior pane of double-glazed units by architect consultant. Gaskets. All the gaskets will be high-performance EPDM gaskets with bonded vulcanized corners.
सो फ्रेंड्स, ये जो हमारा वर्टिकल सेक्शन है जिसे हम मुलियंस बोलते हैं, ये मुलियंस में एक मेल और एक फीमेल सेक्शन होता है जिसमें गैप होता है जो 10 mm का गैप है। सो इस तरह करके हमने टॉप एंड बॉटम में दोनों में हमने अपना प्लेट्स फिक्स कर दिया है। एंड सारे यूनिट्स जो हमारे हैं, ऑल यूनिट्स आर कम्प्लीटली इंस्टॉल्ड। फ्रेंड्स, आपको अगर ग्लेजिंग के बारे में कुछ भी जानना है या इन डेप्थ और भी कुछ अगर आपको इंक्वायरीज़ है तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हैं। मैं आपको सॉल्यूशन दूंगा, बताने की कोशिश करूंगा। लेट्स कम, वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्मोक सील।
While installing a facade system, there is a gap left between the slab and the facade assembly. Smoke seal is a system that can effectively seal these gaps against smoke leakage through these openings in the event of a fire and smoke. One of the ways by which this is evaluated is by testing the system as per UL test standard. This is very crucial as smoke travels much faster and engulfs a certain perimeter much quicker than the actual fire, and its inhalation is the primary reason of deaths in a building.
जीवन के सफर में संघर्ष है,